Ever tried nesting 10 with statements conditionally? There's a better way. ExitStack maintains an internal stack of context managers. When you register one, its __enter__ is called immediately. When ExitStack exits, normally or due to an exception, it pops each manager off in LIFO order. Last in, first out. Calling __exit__ in reverse registration order. This mirrors manually nested with statements, but works for any dynamic count. The primary method for dynamic registration is enter_context. Pass it any context manager, and ExitStack calls __enter__ for you and schedules __exit__ for cleanup. This lets you open files, acquire locks, or connect to databases conditionally at runtime, registering only what you actually need. Exception handling flows through the chain in LIFO order. If a handler's __exit__ returns true, the exception is suppressed. No further managers see it. If it returns false or none, the exception propagates to the next handler. Each manager gets a chance to absorb or re-raise, giving you fine-grained error control. Beyond enter_context, ExitStack offers push to register just the __exit__ method without calling __under_, and callback to register arbitrary cleanup functions that don't implement the context manager protocol at all. And since ExitStack is itself a context manager, you use it inside a with statement, making it fully composable. ExitStack gives you LIFO cleanup, dynamic registration, and full exception control. The right tool for complex resource management in Python. Want to get better at answering questions like this? With Interview Mentor, you practice real interview questions out loud. You get personalized feedback and a grade on every answer, and you can track your improvement over time.